So let's talk about a more presentable way to store your olive oil and vinegar, especially if you have guests over, if you're having a dinner party and you want to have oil and vinegar out for salads or whatever. This is just a much nicer presentation than the bottles that they come in. And these are the 500 milliliter version, so you can kind of see the size of these if you're going to purchase these yourself. And it comes with caps in case you want to take these pourers off, and it also comes with a silicone funnel so that you can have an easier time pouring the liquids into these bottles. But it comes in a really nice little handy carrying case, which looks really nice. And each one of these things are color coded, so you have your olive oil in the green and you have your vinegar in the red, and that is important because they are both different size nozzles. So it's a bigger nozzle for the olive oil and a much smaller nozzle for the vinegar, so you're not accidentally pouring tons of vinegar onto your food. But that also leads me to these really interesting tips. Now, I use lots of different pouring tips like this for my adult beverage bottles so that I can control the flow of the pour a lot better. But these ones have this little thing on it that allows you to close the tip so that no bugs can get in, so that no dust can get in and keep fruit flies out of your stuff. I thought that was a really unique little feature that I have never seen on another pour set, which is why I was super excited to be gifted these for review. So far, I think they're really neat. You could be using them for your liquids like food liquids, or even my sister has some of these also that she uses for her dish soap. She has a fancy kitchen and would rather have a bottle like this full of dish soap next to her sink rather than like an actual bottle of dish soap, because it just looks a little bit more presentable. So if you are looking for a much more presentable way to present your olive oil and vinegar, this is a product that I was gifted to try, and so far I'm definitely liking it and I would definitely recommend it.